This car sounds like it escaped from a supercar factory, a 5-cylinder engine, in 2026. When everyone else is going electric or downsizing to 4s, Audi's still building what might be the last great 5-pod on Earth. And here's the thing nobody tells you. That engine doesn't just make 394 horsepower, it makes a noise that sounds like it belongs in a car costing 3 times as much. The firing order is 12453, which creates this angry offbeat rhythm that you can't unhear. People compare it to Audi's own R8 V10, because technically, a V10 is just 2 5-cylinders bolted together. This little sedan gives you half the supercar experience. But that's just the start. Plant the throttle and this thing hits 60 in 3.2 seconds. That's Porsche 911 territory. In a sedan, you can daily drive without your spine filing for divorce. The secret: quattro all-wheel drive with something called an RS torque splitter. It can send power to individual rear wheels, which means you can actually drift this thing if you switch it into RS torque rear mode. A compact sedan that drifts on command. Most cars this quick feel like they're fighting you. The RS3 feels like it's reading your mind. Now here's where it gets interesting. The cabin is tiny, 8 cubic feet of trunk space. Your weekend bags will fit, your Costco run won't. But who cares when you're sitting in RS sport seats that hug you like they know something's about to happen? The steering wheel is this weird square circle hybrid Audi calls a squircle. Sounds ridiculous. Feels perfect in your hands. You get a 12.3-inch digital display with RS-specific modes showing turbo boost, G-forces, and torque percentage in real time. It's like your dashboard is constantly reminding you this isn't a normal commuter car. The head-up display is now standard for 2026, throwing shift indicators and oil temp right into your line of sight. And then there's the exhaust. You can flip between comfort mode for sneaking out of your neighborhood at 6 a.m. or dynamic mode for waking up everyone within 3 blocks. With the optional RS Sport exhaust, it goes from aggressive to absolutely unhinged. Price starts at $66,100. That's steep until you realize the Mercedes-AMG CLA 45 costs more and the BMW M2 doesn't give you this soundtrack. This is the only way to get a new 5-cylinder engine in a sedan right now. Actually, it might be the last 5-cylinder period. Audi's already hinted this engine probably won't survive Euro 7 emissions regulations hitting in late 2027, which makes this generation of RS3 a future collectible that you can still buy new. The adaptive suspension drops the ride height 10 millimeters lower than the S3. Ceramic brakes are optional. You can spec it to 180 miles per hour if you check the Dynamic Plus package. Most people will never touch that limit. But knowing you could? That's the whole point. So yeah, this is a compact sedan that sounds like a race car, drives like something twice its price, and might be extinct in 2 years. Next time we're looking at something even more ridiculous, a luxury SUV that somehow makes 400 horsepower seem reasonable. You'll want to see how that math works. Drop a comment if you'd actually daily drive an RS3. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.